When your transmission starts slipping, jerking, or just won't move, don't guess, get it fixed right the first time at Ford of Port Jeff. We repair and rebuild all makes and models, from old school 3-speeds to high-tech 10-speeds, CVTs, dual clutch systems, even EV drivetrains. And we do it all in-house. No outsourcing, no shortcuts, just expert diagnostics, factory-trained techs, and upgraded parts that make our rebuild even better than stock. Need performance, plow duty, or commercial grade? We've got you covered. And if you rely on your vehicle for work, ask about priority service to get you back on the road fast. Backed by our up to 3-year warranty and decades of real experience, Ford of Port Jeff is the name you can trust when your transmission needs help. Ford of Port Jeff, where transmission repairs are done right the first time. Call or schedule online today.